Well, hi, howdy, and hello, and welcome to the Sugar Factory in Orlando, a candy lover's paradise. But be warned, your sweet tooth might come with a high price tag because prices at the Sugar Factory are notoriously high, with many items costing over $50. This was our first visit, and we ordered things like the Make a Wish Cookie Monster Milkshake, that was $23, Rainbow Sliders for $27, and the Sugar Factory Club for $19. Yeah, our bill for these three items came to a total of $120, including the tip. But unfortunately, the high prices weren't the only thing that left a bad taste in my mouth. The buns were burnt, and the music was way too loud. It made it hard to enjoy the experience. So if you're looking for a sweet treat, be prepared to spend a pretty penny. The Sugar Factory in Orlando might have some tasty treats, but it may not be worth the high prices and disappointing experience. Let us know if you go. We'd love to hear about it. And as always, thanks so much for watching. We will look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye now.